Okay, this short video we are going to tell you 8 tips to increase your YouTube subscribers in your YouTube channel. First one is you can buy YouTube subscribers. Second one, ask your viewers to subscribe your channel. Third one is add the subscribe button watermark. Fourth one, make videos between 10 and 30 minutes. Fifth one, share videos on other social media channels. Sixth one, buy YouTube views. Seventh one, enter a good channel description and text. Final one, final words. Okay, subscribe the Moral Show YouTube channel for more YouTube tips. Follow our social medias through below description. See you again with another video. Stay safe. Thank you very much.